So Serena is my baby girl. Okay, ma just sneaked out of the house this morning. He didn't even tell me where he was going to.
He was funny. He didn't. He said he's going to figure.
Yes, tennis.
Yeah, to tennis. I thought he does it to.
Today is holiday now. It's in the stadium.
Today is holiday. He sneaked out without
He sneaked out without telling me. Is that
He
good?
even signed it no.
No, he didn't. When he comes back, people should attack him for me.
Okay, no.
Yes, okay, ma, how dare you leave the house without telling us?
Stop. We should stop saying that. And not your mother. You that used to say bad things too. You will not teach your son.
So it's mostly people wear the same clothes.
Yeah. We must wear the same clothes. Even though we're not identical, we must wear the same clothes.
You must, huh?
Yes. And the same
hairstyle.
Today is holiday.
Eliara's hair. See how neat Eliara's hair is. Despite the fact that this hair.
Mama, bless it.
Yes. So tell the story. Say good morning, everybody. Tell the story.
Good morning, everybody. I want to tell us a story.
Okay.
Story.
1 second.
Story.
Story.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl called
You can't remember the name of the girl in the story?
I can't.
Okay, so what was her name? Okay.
One day, I went to my school to go to I was in Pepper House because I waved to everybody because I waved to the people. I waved to the people because it was celebrating time. Then it
Next place.
You
just say anything now. You just say it.
I'm not. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Annabelle. She had a kind heart. She always liked helping everybody. One day she saw a boy. His leg was bleeding because he stumbled over a rock. Annabelle helped the boy and they became friends. So then Annabelle, once upon a time, there was a queen. She was with her red napkin. She saw some children playing down. Then she immediately dropped her red handkerchief and picked up all the children.
The next day.
My jogging partner. We have run how many meters, baby?
2 kilometers.
We've gone through the length and breadth, and we're on our way back.
Length and breadth.
Yes.
We are not going to be already complaining.
I'm tired now. My shoe is paining me. Guys, this is just a friendly reminder to get your exercise in, okay? Get your heart pumping and functioning properly. Right? IPO.
You're a bonbon.
I'm
telling you, man.
yesterday, it was even at 13. Some say 12. When I was
No, no, big one now. Big one, big one.
I purposely try to ask how much so that I will know what I'm doing. I don't do too much. Guys, see this yummy, delicious fish food. This fresh fish pepper soup is so yummy. You guys need to taste this. I'm a very good cook, if I do say so myself. Anyway, not be me cook, I don't like. Guys, come and join me, and I'm having it with bread. Hi guys, what are you doing? Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope you guys went to church today. So we are just on our way back, and I'm going home to prepare Sunday yummy jollof rice. So I'll see you guys. All right, let me remove this one. So guys, I'm back, and I'll see you guys when I start cooking, okay? Hey mama, you want to say hello? Come and say hello, baby. She's not happy because she asked for popcorn, though she asked for it too late. We had already left. Say hello, princess. Say happy Sunday, everyone. Mama, say it like you're happy now. Are you not happy? Don't worry, I'll tell Daddy to buy you popcorn, yeah, when he's coming back, all right? So guys, I'll show you guys my outfit.
sink is very high. That's not the sink.
Let her drop it where she can.
How the sink over there? How putting it on there?
So guys, the rice is almost ready, and let me show you people the salad. See the salad, guys.
Wow.
The salad is ready.
The beautiful salad I've never seen.
Yum 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 yum. So we're gonna have this with the rice and chicken, and you guys can join us, and some zobo juice as well.
Zobo
La la.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
La la la. This salad. Ooh la la. Ooh la la.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, mommy.
You want salad?
Yes.
Let's see. Mama, stop that. I want to off my this thing.
Even cucumber. Forgotten the cucumber. Putting salad inside there. Oh la la. Oh la la.
Ooh la la.
Yummy.
Yummy 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 in my tummy.
Yummy in my tummy. Do you want to eat salad and just like a chicken? Excuse me, Mom, I want to get a spoon from the other game. Can you see a spoon? See a spoon?